Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix recent and missed calls not showing on iPhone. If recent and missed calls are not showing up on your iPhone, there could be several reasons for this issue. So guys, here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. First of all, you have to do is check your calls history settings. First, ensure that you have not accidentally cleared your calls history. Open the phone app and tap on recent tab to view your call history. If it's empty, that may explain why you don't see recent or missed calls. After this, then you have to do is check Do Not Disturb mode. Do Not Disturb mode can prevent calls from appearing in your call history. Check if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by going to your control center and you can see your option Do Not Disturb. If it's enabled, then you have to disable it. After this, then you have to do is check block contacts. Block contacts won't appear in your call history. Check your block contact list in settings. Now go to phones. Scroll down and you can see an option block contacts. Simply tap on it and unblock any necessary number. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates can often fix bugs and issues. To check for updates, you have to go to your General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. Make sure your iPhone's date and time settings are accurate. Incorrect settings can cause issues with call logs. So you have to go to your general, tap on date and time. You have to make sure that the time and the date is set properly. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your network settings. Resetting network settings can help if you are expressing connectivity issues that affect call logs. To do this, you have to open your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.